Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you'll have seen from the title, is a cleaning video. You guys are always requesting cleaning videos, so I'm making this one for you today, and it's extra special because today's video is a collab with the lovely Rebecca Lamb. I'm going to link her channel down below. She's a fellow channel mum vlogger, so once you've watched this video, make sure you go and head over and check out her channel and tell her I sent you. If you've come across from Rebecca's channel, then welcome. Thanks for popping over, and I hope you will stick around and subscribe. I am always getting comments about how clean and tidy my house is, so today you are going to see it in all its messy glory. It's really not tidy today. We've had loads of things on, we've been away loads, and we've had lots of things to go to, and I've just not had the time. I've just not spent enough time in the house to get it clean. So today, this is it. I am a bit pressed for time. I have to go and pick up Elle from nursery really soon, so I'm going to set the timer and I'm just going to do as much as I can in the time that I have. I'm going to show you what it's like before, and you can follow me as I clean it, and we'll see how it ends up. So let's take a look at the before. Okay guys, are you ready for it? This is the before. We have a very dusty fireplace. As you will see, we have a toy where it shouldn't be. Lots of dust everywhere. Look at my TV screen, it is so filthy. We've got a hair bow here for some reason. Come back a bit and let you see. We've got Elle's table and chair sitting out. We've got cups left, toys and remotes. The blanket's just been thrown down. Cushions everywhere. We've got a drink here. Lots of toys left sitting. Lots of stuff on the table. Cups, my laptop. The floor, as you can see, it needs a good sweep. Actually, I don't know if you can see. You might be able to see, but it needs a good sweep. Through in the kitchen, it gets worse. We've got all the breakfast dishes lying, things to get put away. Again, the worktop is just covered in stuff that needs put away, things left out from breakfast. We've got our dish towel, some flowers I haven't even got put in the vase properly yet, and lots of things that need put away upstairs. Over here, I think Elle probably was playing with the fruit bowl because we've got tangerines everywhere. And just loads of stuff lying around, so I just need to give this place a good tidy and clean. So let's get started. hope you enjoyed today's video. If you like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to head on over to Rebecca's channel and check out her video. And if you want to see more cleaning videos, let me know in the comments so that I can make some more. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!